today I'm going to show you around what you might find in a typical home here in the Soundings in Hobe Sound, Florida. Let's go. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath on the water, and a house like this would cost about $2.25 million. We have the master over here. Laundry room right here. We go to this side. You have a lot of flex space of what you could use for. So currently that's the gaming area. You've got this large island storage underneath. All of these open up underneath here. Currently they use this as an office. You could use that as the dining room and this more as a formal living space. The kitchen's amazing. You've got plenty of work surface. You've got all these great appliances. The stove, it's a very convenient layout if you love to cook. Having this layout is really a great option. So you've got your gas stovetop over there, dishwasher right here next to the sink while you're doing your dishes. You're looking out to the pool and out to the water. Wake you up in the morning with a little bit of caffeine at the coffee bar. There's a little bit more of the family room space. So you've got a table here and great surround sound, great area for watching movies and things, playing games, fireplace. It's nice and cozy here during the holidays. So back here you've got 2 bedrooms and another full bath. So let's go take a look outside. You're undercover. When it's raining, you can still sit out here and not get stressed. You've got the pass-through bar, grill, pools in the sun. You've got the beautiful sound of the waterfalls, which is really delightful. Screen to keep the bugs off of you. And then they just installed this gate. So this is really nice. So that way if you've got pets or children, you can still have them run around the grass without getting down here to the water. So this particular house, they've got this patio that's been grandfathered in down here. The rest of them go up to the water with grass, except for this one. He must have had his in also. So now you have to go up to the dock space. You can't put these large patios in here. But it's kind of nice if you have parties, you can have space. It's almost like adding a third area of space to your backyard and your house. So their spot goes from here, that dolphin piling, all the way through. And so you could put a boat in here. You could add a lift if you wanted to. And then right there, where those trees are, that's the Intracoastal. That's how close you are. And another nice side yard. That's all. So now it's just a matter of finding out if this is the right neighborhood for you. So we have the pool over here. So here's the clubhouse. You can lease this space, use it anytime you want to. For a meeting, I walked in the other day and someone was out here having a meeting. There is the Intracoastal, and then right on the other side of that's the beach. You also have a kitchen. Over here, look at these ceilings. Aren't they cool? And we've got the tennis courts right over there. There's 2 more roads down here. Star Island, Pelican is over on that side. And all of these roads run down with canals running between the 2 roads. Take you down Star Island, fishing from here. Which inlet do you prefer to go out of?
It all depends on the wind with our boat. If it's blowing out of the south, I'll go out Jupiter. This way I can run north and come in Stewart Inlet, or vice versa.
Got it.
It's all about the comfort.
I prefer going out the Stewart Inlet and going into Jupiter Inlet and then getting ice cream at the marina and floating in the floats. That's what I prefer. In case anyone wanted to know. Got on the bridge road. That took us about 3 minutes to get from the soundings into downtown Hobe Sound. So it's probably about 4 minutes to the public beach on Jupiter Island.